How to add more users in InVideo AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add more images in InVideo AI. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically add more images to InVideo AI, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is actually just go to invideo.io and log into your account. Assuming you want to add more members, for this you actually need to have a premium plan. So without a premium plan, unfortunately you won't be able to get them, right? So from there, just click on the profile icon from the top right. Then here you can see members. So when you go to members, you can see upgrade to invite more members. So once you've upgraded to a premium plan, then you'll be able to go ahead and then upgrade it. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then add users on InVideo AI. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in the next video.